هذا إلا استعماله نوع كسر ومدافع ليش يهبونه كل شيء تصل كل شيء خلوعا يقوى خرب وين كمان تلقاها هي وين تجي أو تجي وحنا استعمالها هي ما هو دل هو تجي هو جامد هو مطلعها واجي كل كلا بيتي هي قال والله واجي هاجي مسكين كل ناس يسوق يا لبي دينا لا كراسي وجانيات ومسكوا عادوها لما عدي مجال خلاص لما أدرك كراسي كده وجانيات فرق كده كابو كده لكن أنا بحاول واجي مسكين رأيي واجي كل واحد كده أي مسكين وحاسوا حالي غلط ما يعرفون كده وكل العواطف تجيبنا فيه تراخي الجنة وقت وعرض الجنة وحاسوا كده في كتب من أنا ما قلت أسألها طبعاً سألها يا رب طبعاً هاي كده لا راح أقول لك ده ما معك أنا كنت شاهد قبل وقتها هذا الحاجة على صورة يا مركا في مقرتي هاي دور هذا على لا أنت أنا بقدر ما بقدر لا الله ما يقول الله ما يقول ولا المزاج عندنا المزاج عندنا أنا الحدث أنا بقول حياة أنا أقول حياة وحوالي لكن من نغلق هذا بس كل يوم تغير وين يقول كنا يمكن تغير وحبطوا من نغلق هذا حيث كل يوم تغير دعوة يقصد الله هذا صدق عندنا حيوان طبعا لحظي
The bombardment that took place in Hargeisa in 1988.
So this plane was used to bomb this city?
This was all farmland. The farmland has stopped because each time the farmer brings in the bulldozer to try and cultivate his land, they come up with bones.
Fatima, is this are these human remains here? That looks like a hip bone, the top of the skull and part of the spinal cord.
The executions took place there. Their hands that were tied behind their backs. Then the soldiers would come in and they would machine gun them.
There's a grave there. This particular mass grave extends up all the way around the river here, as far as the eye can see. All along the bank, they've uncovered scores of bodies.
Soldiers loyal to Mohammed Siad Barre committed appalling crimes against the people of Somaliland. Fatima took me to another grave.
At this particular spot, we have the remains of 11 students, all under the age of 17. We know that by the smallness of their bones. What happened was the 26th military section went to the secondary school in Hargeisa and randomly took 11 students. And what they did was they took them to the 26th section and they literally just bled them dry. Once they died, their remains was buried here, as you can see.
So just so we understand, the students who've been buried here, they were basically used as blood banks by soldiers to provide blood for other wounded soldiers, and then when they were bled dry, almost literally, their bodies were just thrown out like garbage or something.
And you have to remember, this is the 11 that we know about.
de vinhos e além.